You know, we didn't know if she was allowed on the couch, but she's so spoiled.
Hi, Tula.
We were hoping you would forgive us.
Is this your house now, Tula?
She's taking it over.
Yeah, she's the queen. Are you the queen now? She likes her chaise lounge.
She does. It's
Yeah.
perfect for...
And she likes her view out the window.
She does.
Yeah.
So I guess if I got that couch for myself, it would be a delusion that I get to sit there.
Yeah.
You guys might have to fight over it.
Yeah.
You might have to.
That's her spot.
Are you feeling all right, Tula? Huh?
She thinks she's died and gone to heaven.
Wow.
You get to go on vacation in the mountains. Tula. You beautiful girl. She's a rescue dog.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She's a rescue
dog, Tula.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
She's going to go on her hike today, her first hike.
Tula. Good job.
Yeah.
Good job, Tula. 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 Good job. Good job.